afternoon, YouTube. Day 2 of risking it. Yeah, it's partly cloudy, actually mostly cloudy, and I think it's actually raining where the direction I'm headed. So yeah, definitely risking it again. But yeah, I don't really have anything planned today. Gonna go hang out with a buddy. He finally got a bike. I think it's a Honda. Not really sure. I think it is. Feels good out though, man. Broke out the full jacket today. I had my my vest on, but man, it just does not hug me the right way like it used to, man. I gotta start grinding a little harder in the gym, man. Gotta start getting that cardio in. I should have gone today. I just gotta stop eating so much. Oh, and also, no, I did not fix my mic, so yes, I'm still kind of eating it right now. I want to get better at like editing my thumbnails and stuff. I'm not good at that. I used to be when I was like in middle school, like back when I was like in Photoshop class back in like 7th and 8th grade, like we were messing around with it and I got kind of good at it, but it's actually kind of nice out, man. I'm surprised on how it actually turned out, man, because the weather made it sound so horrible. I'm kind of mad I didn't go out sooner now, because I got to go to my grandma's later, so got plans. I think I'm going to take the mirrors off and put some bar end mirrors on. My brother loves Porsche. Yeah, Bobo. What is that? Porsche 911. I can't pronounce that one. Alright, let's see where he's at, because I know he's here somewhere. Oh shit. Not good. Alright, now I do not know where Chris is at, because that's who I'm meeting. You guys have not seen him on the channel before, but whenever we find him, I'll introduce you. Alright, so met up with Chris. It is, sir, indeed a 600. Straight stunted. Big old, like, I don't know, god dang, that's like a 60 something. Yeah, so I think we're just gonna be cruising around. Like I said, I don't have that much time, but I wanted to get out on the bike, and it is surprisingly very nice out today, actually. Ah, Corona. You guys will probably see some dope wheelies by Chris. Oh shit.
So like that's straight, so my bars are a little, it's alright though, it's not going nowhere.
Man, I want to learn how to wheelie so bad, but not on this bike. This bike is too beautiful. them shots, boy. I think all this is residential, bro. I don't think we should, yeah. Sony's definitely gonna call a watch. Oh, here we go. Oh man, I don't know if they like that or not, but I do. Let's go, baby. I keep saying it and I always say it, eventually I do want to get a stunt bike. I'm surprisingly not sweating right now anyways. I mean, the bike is hot, she's sweating, but if you guys are new to the channel and like what you see, maybe subscribe and make sure that the bell notification is on so you always know when I upload more content. What's he gonna do, get a rolling burnout in? Let's go, baby. Look at baby boy. Man, I can't find the right music today. Kind of making me mad, honestly. Hey, I want to get a picture. Yeah, I want to get a picture. Pull over and take a break. Get some pictures of the baby girl. Alright, bro. Well, I guess we'll follow each other and then we'll split. Alright, bro. Be safe. Seriously. Appreciate the little ride, man. With all of, like, the ditches and the, like, how much it's been raining and everything, you can feel how humid and just soggy it feels over here. It feels really moist. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. If you enjoyed, make sure that you leave a like, maybe a comment down below. And again, it's a short video, but yeah, the weather has not been cooperating for about a month now. Thank you, hurricane season. But it is what it is, but hopefully you guys stay blessed, ride safe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.